Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I did this awesome painting, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm working on a 12 by 36 canvas, and I have only got 4 colors that I'm going to be using today, and there's some of my favorite metallics that I like to use. This one here is Deco Art Extreme Sheen Copper. I also have the Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. And then I am using a little bit of black. I don't use black a lot, so I thought I would add that in, step out of my comfort zone just a little bit, and have some more copper and some more gold. And then I'm going to be adding some white, just some regular white to this one. All right, so I'm just going to continue to layer those colors in the cup. I think this is a 16-ounce beaker that I'm using. I think I'm only going to put, I think probably about 15 ounces. I'm not filling it all the way to the top, so it's about 14 or 15 ounces when I get done putting all of the paint in. All of my paints are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And I think I added a little bit of golden GAC 800 to this mix. So with this here, I'm just going to be going back and forth all the way down the canvas. You can see that it's creating some cool kind of design there. So I just wanted to kind of get that cool design all the way down the canvas. So I'm just going to keep doing that till I get to the end. Alright, so if you guys have watched any of my other videos, most of the time I like to keep it simple. I don't like to use a ton of different colors. I think a lot of times a lot of the colors will get lost or muddy. So that's why I stick with usually less than 5. If I go over 5, that's usually, that's a little different for me. So I try to stick with no more than 5. Alright, so you can see I'm adding some black, again stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit more, adding the black maybe to try to get some negative space. And now I'm going to pop all those stubborn air bubbles. A lot of times when I, smooth it out, it creates some extra air bubbles. So I like to use my torch to get those out of there. Alright, so now I am going to just start tilting, and while I am tilting, I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about my paintings that I have for sale. Some of you may know that I had a website, Tracie Reed Designs website, and I did have to shut that down with the coronavirus and everything going on. It just wasn't, I wasn't doing too well with the sales on there, and I kind of couldn't afford to keep it going, I guess. So I do have a lot of paintings that are still for sale. So if you do see one in my videos that you like, you can contact me a couple of different ways. I do have my email. It's tracielreed@icloud.com, or you can contact me on Facebook through my Facebook page, Tracie Reed Designs, or I do have my Facebook group, Acrylic Pouring with Friends. You can also message me through there as well. But like I said, I do have quite a few paintings for sale, and I would really like them to find some new homes because they are taking up a lot of space in my studio. I'd love them to be hung on someone's wall because they're too beautiful to be stuck on a rack. All right, so back to the painting. This looks gorgeous. I am loving the designs and the lines, and also that little bit of negative space that I decided to keep. I think it looks pretty cool. All right, so here are the wet photos, up close photos for you to see, and the colors blended really nice in here. I do like I love when copper and gold blend. I really do like it. I like when copper or bronze and gold blend as well. But copper and gold have such a contrast that I love. I love those two colors together. So far, so good. I'm crossing my fingers that this dries just as beautiful with those extreme sheen colors. They should dry just as bright. So again, fingers crossed. All right, so here we go, guys. Here's the dried results, and you can see that they dried just like I was hoping. These colors look amazing. They are so vibrant and shiny, and I am super happy with how this looks. I did go ahead and take a straw. I'm not sure if you can see there, to the negative space area. I blew those colors out just a bit just to soften those areas there. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. Just leave me a comment below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell as well so you can get all my notifications. And if there's someone that you think may like this video, go ahead and share it with them. I have some more awesome videos for you to check out. Click the links on the left, and I'll catch you in my next video.